Checklists with MaintainPad allow you to create bespoke task lists, forms, and questionnaires to fit your workplace needs. Checklists allow you to communicate with your staff and contractors, outlining their tasks, ensuring quality of work, complying with safety regulations, and recording any workplace incidents. You can use an existing checklist or create a customized one, meaning you can tailor the app to work for you. The process of creating a checklist is entirely paperless, ready for you to use on any device.